Hello and welcome back to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon. I show you how to build software without coding. And in today's tutorial, I am going to explore building a web app with you, but more specifically, how to use advanced forms or customizable forms. We're going to do this inside Softr. I already have my project here, which is an AI project that allows you to build love letters. And what I have here is a form after the user logs in that allows them to actually generate the love letter. So what I have is they have to give us a keyword, they have to either make it public or private. But here I have something interesting where it says email. And even after the user logs in, they have to give us their email address, which is really not what we want. If we take a look at this in production, we will see here that the user has to give us their email, give us a keyword, give us a visibility from the drop down menu. We just want the user to give us a keyword and give us the visibility. And to do this, we cannot use a simple form. We have to use a customizable form. Going back to my project, we're going to add a block. We're going to go to dynamic, and one of the first drop downs we're going to see is form. Here I have a simple contact form. That's what I'm using right here. But we want to use the customizable form. What I'm going to do is just copy over the title, because really we just want it to look the same. But we want the email address to be a hidden field. Destination, here my destination is sending to Make. Make is an automation platform, and a module in Make is actually processing the AI component of this application. And we're going to send this to Make again. If I can grab my address, so I'm going to grab the webhook address. And I am going to set the destination to Make. I'm going to paste my webhook address right here. I'm going to change the button to say generate. So we're just copying a lot of this. Here's the part that we want to change. So we're going to hide, or we're going to change full name to say keywords. And let me just see what this is mapped to on my other one. So it's mapped to keyword. I'm going to change this to say keyword. Label is going to be keywords. And I put I miss you as a keyword. What we want here, we do want the email, and let's just see what this is mapped to on our simple form. It's mapped to email, all caps. But what we want here, we want this to be a hidden field. So this is not going to actually show, but what I do have to do now is go to value, go to logged in user, and grab their email. So now I'm taking the user email, but they're not giving it to me. As long as they're logged in, I can use their email, or if they're logged in, I can use any information attached to their user profile. What I'm also going to do is delete some of this extra stuff. I have a drop down menu here that's for the visibility. So we just check this out. It's mapped to visibility, public, private, other options. So I'm just going to copy that over. So I'll change it to public, private. I map this to visibility. Label is visibility. And I'm going to say select an option. And I'm not sure if I spelled this right, so I think it's an I right here. What I also have here, this form can only be accessible to logged in users. So I'm going to change the visibility to only be accessible to logged in users here. Now that's accessible to logged in users. This is perfect. So we have everything we need. I can actually I can remove this form, but I'm going to actually keep it. I'm just going to disable the block. So you won't be able to see this now. So now when I click publish and go back, I am going to refresh. And what you can see is my new form. All I need is the keyword and the visibility, and it will generate a love letter for the user. That is my quick tutorial on how to use customizable forms in Softr to add complex functionality to your forms. If you have any questions on this, please let me know right in the comment section, or feel free to reach out to me on social media.